Let's check at that. Not so much cheese, but it's a good amount. Let's taste. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna show you guys how I make some spaghetti. Let's get cooking. Okay, here I got 1 kg of spaghetti over here. Here I got a pot of water and I added in 1 tablespoon of salt and a drizzle of olive oil. I'm just gonna dump in my spaghetti and cook it. Just gonna let that boil and the spaghetti will fall into the pot. Okay, over here I'm preheating my wok over here. Adding some olive oil. I'm first gonna cook my pasta ingredients here. Okay, over here I got a bowl of hickory ham and some chopped up jalapeno sweet peppers and also a tablespoon of crushed garlic. We first gotta fry this up first. We're gonna give the ham a good color before we add in our vegetables. The ham is being cooked in that crushed garlic and that sweet jalapeno peppers. All that flavor will be soaked into the cut up hickory ham here. We're just gonna brown the ham a little bit before we add in our vegetables. Okay, I'm gonna give the ham a good sprinkle of white pepper as well. A good stir fry. Okay, a lot of the ham fats are popping out. Now we will add in our vegetables. Okay, over here I've got some cut up celery. Cut up celery and also onions over here. Chopped up red onion. And also a lot of chopped up button mushrooms here. Okay, just stir fry this up. Yeah, before I stir it up, and we'll add in some flavor. So first I'm going to sprinkle some salt. When you sprinkle the salt on the veggies, a lot of the water content will start popping out. Good sprinkle of salt, also a good sprinkle of white pepper. Also going to sprinkle some sugar all around. There's about I'm adding in 3 teaspoons of sugar, and I'm also going to sprinkle some chicken bouillon powder. This is the MSG. Okay, let's give this a quick stir fry with the ham. Okay, let that cook. Okay, a lot of the water content is starting to come out from the mushrooms and onions and the celery. Look how colorful that is for a pasta dish. Okay, I turned the flame down while that's cooking. Here, my spaghetti is ready. I'm just going to drain it out and cool it off with some cold water. Okay, just finished draining it. Okay, a lot of the mushrooms and the celery has dissolved. Almost smell like pizza over here. It's pizza toppings. Sweet as a taste. Just like pizza, guys. Okay, now I washed up some peas. We're adding peas in here as well. Okay, we're gonna pour in a little bit of oyster sauce. Quick drizzle of soy sauce. And a little bit of Chinese rice wine. And also a tiny little bit of sesame oil. Okay, let's mix this up. It's good. It's very nice. Okay, this is the ingredients. It's done. Let's go make the white sauce. Okay guys, so we got like 1 kg of spaghetti. So we have to make a lot of white sauce. First I'm gonna add in 1 big tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna add in a few tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Let's mix it up. Let's add in our milk. Okay, over here I've got some white mozzarella, just this little bit. We don't want to, you know, like other recipes, they put too much cheese into the cheese sauce, and that's very fattening. Like this is enough for 1 kg of pasta. We don't want too much fat. I think now it's a good thickness that I want for my spaghetti and other ingredients. I will stop pouring in the milk. Here is about 1.5 liters of milk over here. It's getting there. This needs to boil up. Once the sauce is fused up with the pasta, you can pop it into the oven. You'll get some delicious cheesy spaghetti pasta for dinner tonight. Okay, let's pour all our cheese sauce into the spaghetti here. Wow, lots of sauce. That's how you like it. Very saucy pasta dish. Okay. Okay, let's mix this up into our pasta here. Make sure all the spaghetti is coated in the cheese sauce. See, the sauce was just enough for this 1 kg of spaghetti here. Okay, give it a good mix. Everything is nicely coated in the white sauce. Now we can add in our ingredients. Okay, let's dump in our ham, peas, mushrooms, onions, everything. Okay, same procedure. Let's mix it up into the pasta, the spaghetti. And just mixed up and put it into the baking tray. This is gonna be delicious, guys. Delicious. Okay, now we're gonna top it off with some tomatoes. Okay, over here I've got 1 tomato. Just top it up. Okay, it's time for the oven. Okay guys, before the oven, let's check this out. Damn, this is heavy. Feels almost like 5 kgs of pasta over here. Okay guys, preheated my oven at 250 degrees. Let's pop it in. Let's check at that. Okay, we're just gonna oven this for about 20 minutes and then we'll switch off the flame. Voila guys, it's ready. Check that out. Wow. So hot. Let's plate this and let's plate it and try this out. My family's still at work. I'm just gonna eat this, try this out first. Myself. Let's try this out. Nice. Almost like lasagna. Check this out. Woohoo! Let's give this a taste. Yummy. Check that out. Baked spaghetti. Let's taste this. Okay guys, the final result. Let's check that out. Very easy, delicious dish that you guys can make. Okay, let's give this a try. So lots of good cheesy sauce over here. Check that out. Not so much cheese, but it's a good amount. Let's taste. So nice, creamy, nice, and has so much flavor from the ingredients. Tomato. And that jalapeno adds the kick to this pasta. It's so good. Guys, if you like this recipe, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys for watching.